In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear cache in GoDaddy step by step. If you've made changes to your website but they're not showing up, or your site looks outdated even after editing, the issue is usually caching. Don't worry, this is very common and very easy to fix. I'll walk you through 2 simple methods to clear cache in GoDaddy so your updates appear instantly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the most reliable method. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first method is clearing cache by forcing a hard refresh in your browser. This is the quickest solution and often fixes the issue immediately. A hard refresh forces your browser to load the most recent version of your GoDaddy site instead of using stored cached files. Start by opening your GoDaddy website or the GoDaddy website editor in your browser. Make sure you're on the exact page where changes aren't appearing. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus R on your keyboard at the same time. This triggers a hard refresh. Your page will reload completely, pulling fresh content directly from the server instead of loading the saved cached version. Wait a few seconds for the page to fully reload. Once it finishes, check to see if your recent updates are now visible. In many cases, this alone solves the problem. If the changes still aren't showing, don't worry. That just means the browser cache needs to be cleared manually, which brings us to the second and most reliable method. The second method is clearing your browser cache directly from your browser settings. This removes stored website data and ensures your browser loads the newest version of your GoDaddy site. First, open your browser settings. In most browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, you can do this by clicking the 3 dots or menu icon in the top right corner. Next, look for an option labeled Privacy, History, or Privacy and Security. Click on that section. Now find the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Clear Cache. Click on it. A window will appear showing different types of data you can remove. Make sure you select cached images and files. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords or cookies unless you specifically want to. Just focus on cached files for this fix. After selecting cached images and files, click Clear, Delete, or Clear Data depending on your browser. Give it a few seconds to complete the process. Once it's done, completely close your browser. This step is important. Then reopen your browser and go back to your GoDaddy website. Reload your site again, and you should now see the most up-to-date version of your pages. Clearing your cache is especially important after updating website designs, changing images, editing text, modifying DNS settings, or publishing new content inside GoDaddy. Caching improves speed, but sometimes it prevents you from seeing updates immediately. And that's it. Now you know 2 simple ways to clear cache in GoDaddy. First, by forcing a hard refresh, and second, by clearing your browser cache manually for a more reliable fix. If this tutorial helped you fix your website issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and hosting tutorials in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.